Good morning, everyone. Myself Salni, final year BME. Now we are looking about the topic is human assist device. The human assist device it has many topics. So now we are covering the one basics of hearing aids and sound amplification. This is the introduction of hearing aids. Hearing aids is the maximum use of the hearing loss patients. These hearing aids used for communication, learning and quality of life. Hearing aids is the small and sophisticated device. Is the restore audibility. The hearing aids is the only we can use and mainly focusing on the use of hearing loss patients using these types of hearing aids devices. Modern hearing aids using digital signal processing for precision and comfort. The goal is hearing aids help user hear sounds and reduce noise and also improve the distractions problems. Hearing aids. Hearing aids is a miniature electronic sound amplification device. Hearing aids, the maximum hearing aids is having a very small and a comfort designed to assist people with the partial hearing loss. This can be also used in a analog or digital based on the technologies we are used. Many of hearing aids is the used for analog signals converted into the digital signals and also used to digital signals converted into analog signals. Then this is the some basics hearing devices. The basic principle of hearing aids operates on the principle of sound amplification. The sound amplification it is used and main component of the hearing aids. Sound amplification it is used for reduce the noise and prevented the quality of sound it's converted into the electrical signal, then electrical signal amplified it is the main step of hearing aids. Then the sound output reaches the patients, amplifies soft sound while preventing the loud sounds becoming the uncomfortable. Also adjust the gain different frequencies based on the used audiogram. In a different patients is having a sum of audiogram uses hearing issues. The main component of hearing aids we are also used. The main and first component is microphone. The microphone is capture the sound and increase the sound strength. Then we are used an amplifier. In the previous slides we are looking the amplification. Then a receiver. A receiver is a speaker. Then the battery. Battery it's the use of only one of the backup plans provide in a powers. Then ear mode direct sound into the ear. The working mechanism. The hearing aids is the working mechanism of basically in a 5 steps. The step 1 is microphone capture sound wave from the surrounding. The microphone is the mainly used capturing the surrounding sound. Then step 2 is the sound converted to the electrical or digital signal. It is based upon the user's need. Then the step 3 signal processed by amplified DSP filtering, compression and shaping. Then step 4 is receivers deliver the precisest sound to ear. Step 5 uses precise, clear and more audible sounds. Then the sound amplification principle. Every sound amplifications have in a separate type of principle. It is also used in a core concept, increase the sound intensity and non-linear amplification. These amplifications are only linear amplification. The amplification strength and moderate wavelength these are the same as in every hearing devices. And the soft sounds are amplified more, loud sounds are amplified less. It is also used to prevent discomfort and distortion. Analog versus digital hearing aids. This is the analog difference of analog and digital. Signal types is the electrical and the digital. Signal simple amplification, complex processing, sound quality basics, the clear and the customizable. The main patients are focusing on the digital hearing aids. The type of hearing aids. These are the common type of hearing aids. Bigger in the ear, in the canal, completely in the canal, receivers in the canal. These types of hearing aids chosen upon the damaging of patient's ear and abnormalities and need of patient's ear. The based only these types of hearing aid designs. Behind the ear is all component housed in the small case behind the ear. And in the ear, in the canal, in the ear it means custom model and fit outer ear. In the canal, smaller and more customizable applying partially fit into the ear canal. These in the canal is the maximum fit in the ear. Completely in canal means fit deep inside the ear. It is also used in affecting of mid ear portions, so that time we are using this completely in canal. The RIC hearing aids, a receiver placed inside the ear canal. The receivers only the sounds, and then it get produced the sounds outer side of the RIC hearing aids. The features of modern digital hearing aids: frequency shaping, tolerance amplification, specific hearing loss, directional microphones, noise reduction algorithm, feedback cancellation, and automatic value control. Also, it's having a hearing loss, Bluetooth connectivity, and a rechargeable battery. Batteries is the one of the backup plan of every hearing aids. Then the dynamic range compression. The dynamic range compression, it is the expand the soft sound and limit sounds, maintain the clarity across the different sound levels, and the feedback and noise management. Every hearing aids should compulsory maintain the noise and feedback management. The feedback cancellation, noise reduction, white noise management, improve overall speech quality and comfort. Fitting and programming. The fitting and programming is the hearing test audiogram. The audiogram based and our hearing devices are designed. Programming software adjust amplifications. Re- Real ear measurements and verify performance. Maintenance and care. The maintenance in every medical equipment is having a certain maintenance and care of the patients. Keep device clean and dry. Replace or rechargeable battery. Schedule regular checkups with the audiologist. Store device drying kit when not it is used. Avoid explore to moisture, heat or chemicals. Avoid these types of heating process and chemical rooms. Advantage of hearing aids: improve communication in a daily life. In a hearing loss, people easily communicate one person's and society. It is the main advantage of hearing aids. Enhance confidence and social participations. Reduce the listening fatigue. Improve speech and compact, light and discreet. Limitations: hearing aids cannot restore the normal hearing completely. The hearing aids it is the only the supporting device. It is not replacing in a normal hearing process. Requires regular maintenance and calibration. In every hearing devices, so the required maintenance and calibration, then only it's the work in a good condition. We are not calibrate and maintenance the device is uh, the device does not work and given does not clear sound to patients. High-end modules can be expensive. Battery life may be very depending upon usage. The usage process of the battery is stored in a rechargeable battery. It is not a big problem, but the battery life, it's the maximum limit we can set. It is only based on the users response. The conclusion of our hearing aids: the hearing aids process sound based on the digital signal. Components is microphone, amplifier, receivers, and ear. Restore audibility and comfort, speech clarity. Regular fitting and care ensures. Thank you.